Hey everyone, welcome to Motivate Wealth. Today, we're exploring a topic that's crucial for personal growth: how to improve yourself by surrounding yourself with better friends. Let's dive into some practical tips to help you build a circle that uplifts and inspires you. First things first, identify what you value in friendships. Do you want friends who are ambitious, kind, honest? Knowing what you're looking for is the first step in attracting the right people. Reflect on past friendships and consider what qualities you appreciated most. Were these friends supportive, honest, inspiring? List traits that you find essential in a friend, such as trustworthiness, positivity, or a shared sense of humor. Think about how your ideal friends would handle disagreements or challenges. Looking for friends who are respectful and understanding during tough times is important. Create a personal friendship manifesto that outlines the qualities you're seeking. This clarity will help you recognize the right people when you meet them. Regularly revisit and adjust your values and expectations as you grow and learn more about yourself. Next, engage in activities that resonate with your interests. Whether it's a book club, a hiking group, or a cooking class, you're more likely to meet like-minded people when you're doing things you love. Participating in activities that align with your interests naturally places you in the company of like-minded individuals. Engaging in hobbies or groups allows you to meet people in a relaxed, non-forced setting where interactions are more organic. Join clubs, classes, or groups that align with your interests. This could range from sports teams, book clubs, art classes, to volunteering opportunities. Don't be afraid to try new activities. Sometimes stepping out of your comfort zone can lead you to meet diverse and interesting individuals. Be the friend you want to have. Remember, it's also about being the friend you wish to have. Show kindness, be supportive, and be trustworthy. Building better friendships is a two-way street. Friendship is reciprocal. Exhibiting the qualities you seek in others encourages similar behavior in return. Being a good listener, showing empathy, and being supportive are key qualities that foster deep and meaningful connections. Actively practice qualities like empathy, reliability, and support in your current relationships. Reflect on your actions regularly. Ask yourself if you're being the kind of friend you would want to have. Evaluate and limit time with negative influences. It's also important to evaluate and limit your time with friends who drain your energy. If someone consistently brings negativity into your life, it might be time to distance yourself and make room for more positive connections. Recognize the impact of negative relationships. Friends who are consistently pessimistic, draining, or unsupportive can affect your mental health and personal growth. Understand that it's okay to distance yourself from friendships that no longer serve your well-being. Conduct a friendship audit. Consider how you feel after spending time with each friend. If certain relationships consistently leave you feeling drained or unhappy, it may be time to reevaluate them. Set boundaries with friends who have a negative influence. It's okay to limit contact or have conversations about how their behavior affects you. Nurture and invest in positive relationships. Lastly, nurture and invest time in those relationships that make you feel good. Good friendships require effort and care, so make sure to appreciate and grow these positive connections. Investing time and emotional energy in nurturing these relationships is crucial. Celebrate successes, offer support during challenges, and make time for regular interactions. Schedule regular check-ins or outings with friends to maintain your connection. Be present in your interactions. This means actively listening, engaging in their life events, and showing appreciation for their friendship. So there you have it. Key steps to building a circle of friends that will help you grow and thrive. Remember, the people you surround yourself with can have a significant impact on your life, so choose wisely. If you found these tips helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on personal growth and well-being. Until next time, keep striving for the best in yourself and in those around you. Thanks for watching.